how to sell weddings products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, there are a lot of products in this platform, and we have a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So let's just choose one of these products just to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. So for example, let's go with this product. And here in today's video, guys, I'm going to teach you how to create a shop page exactly like this one for your own products, how to add the pictures of your product like these ones, how to add the price of your product, how to add the options, and how to add the product details, if it's handmade, the materials of the product, made to order or not. And here I'm going to show you how to add the description as well, and how to set the shipping and return policies. And that's all I'm going to show you in today's video. So let's just go back to the first page. Let's close this one, go to the first one, go up, go to your top right, click on the shop manager button. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And here you will have to go through 6 steps in order to do that. And the first step is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop. Then you stock your shop. Then you choose how you'll get paid. Then you set up the payment processors or the billing. Then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So let's just change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is giving the name to your shop. So here, as you can see, the name is already taken. So you can choose one of these options, or you can just make your own name. Let's do this. And that's it. As you can see, the name is available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop. And here you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before we proceed to adding the photos and details about our product, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And as you can see here, we have 4 fields that we need to fill. And the first one is photos. And here we will need to upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory, where we will need to enter the price. Then we have the listing details, and here we will need to fill all of these red fields, and the same thing with the shipping as well. We will need to fill all of these red fields. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Here, let's give it this title. Let's add, and that's it. And here you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. But is it a finished product or a supply or tool to make things? Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. And here you enter the category of the product. Let's just choose the name, type the name, and you'll have a lot of categories to choose from. I'm going to go with the first one, the 3rd category. Then you'll have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. Let's go with brown. The secondary color, let's choose white. Then we have the occasion. You can search for one in here. Let's go with wedding. And here you have the holiday. You can choose one in here. And the wedding theme, let's go with classic. And here you have the renewal options. If you want to choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to go with the manual, which is free. So for me, I prefer the manual. Then you have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Let's leave it at physical. And then you have the description. So guys, in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have one, you can add him in here. Then for the section tags and materials, they're all optional, so let's just skip them for later. And here put the price of the product. Then you fill the shipping information as I said in the beginning. For example, you select the processing time, let's say 5 to 7 days. Then we have the returns and exchanges. You can apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another one in here. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.